What's going on, guys? We're back today and we are cooking up Kose for you. So I'll put the spelling down there somewhere. Kose. So they sell it on the street, maybe like mid-morning. It's a fried snack. So it's made from beans, like bean flour, beans. You get the beans, they boil it, take the skin off the beans, dry it, and then this is what it is, like a bean powder. So you take it, shape it however you want. You can add some onions, some garlic, little bit of pepper, and then you fry it. It comes out scrumptious. So we're gonna whip that up for you now. I'm gonna cut the onions. Mumsy's helping us, she's on the frying section. So we're gonna show you what that kose looks like right now. It's a lovely, just a mid snack. Yeah, I feel like it's vegetarian as well, I guess. So even better. So let's cut up these onions and we'll get to cooking. That's enough for the talking one. So it's a lovely snack. I love having it throughout the day, and I feel like because it's beans, it means like it's really healthy, I guess, but it's not so healthy because it's fried. But hey, this is one of the healthy Ghanaian foods that you can have. So we'll go ahead and get a proper knife because that knife was not doing it for me. So thanks to Mumsy, we've got her on the fryer and we're going to put everything together. We'll get our onions chopped up, and then as you'll see right now, everything will go inside that mix. And we're ready to go. Kose to go. Okay, scrumdiddlyumptious. So the kose is nearly ready. We're frying up a storm in here. So in a few secs, you'll see us take it out of the oil and plate it in its lovely pan. And we are ready to lovely. Yeah. Sorry for the oil. Wow. Delicacy. You've got to try it. Smash the thumbs up, the like and subscribe. Check out our other playlists because we're cooking up a storm. So yeah, comment down below if you've tried this before, and peace and love, guys.